Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Makaela. Hey girl, hey. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this sexy, modern, Valentine's drugstore-esque makeup look that I created today using one of the palettes actually that I bought off Hush.com. This palette is called The Regals by Bad Habit and it was only $10. Look at this color! $10 for this palette, and it's a great look and a great palette, and it's definitely a dupe for the Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette. So if you're looking for a dupe, then this is for you. This is what the colors look like. They are rearranged a little bit, but I used this can't even speak today. Transition color, this pinkish color, and then this deeper brown, just to deepen up my crease. So yeah, if you're interested to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so that is what one eye looks like. We're going to go ahead and do that on the other one. So I'm dipping into this transition shade called Noble. And I'm just going to place that in my crease. I've already done this a little bit already. Alright, so then I'm going to dip into this color called Regal right here, which is this pretty pink color. That's pretty. Like, it's pretty. And then I'm going to dip in this color called Grand. It's this chocolatey brown color. And I'm going to use that on the same brush and dip and just kind of go into my crease and give me a little extra something something. And go back into that brown color. We're just going to do it, deepen it up once again. Alright, so that is the eye look. So I'm going to put on some lashes, do the rest of my makeup, and I will be back to show you the finished look and kind of my thoughts on this palette and whether or not you should pick it up from Shop Hush. Alright, we are back. This is the final look. I ended up smudging a little black eyeliner on my lash line, and then I just went ahead and put mascara on. So we're just going to go ahead and finish up the eyes. I've been using the same brush, guys. I just can't, I gotta use the brush. It's just that one. So I'm gonna take that Regal shade, that's purple, and I'm just gonna, oh look. Okay. And then I'm also going to take Noble again, which is our transition shade, and I'm going to smudge that as well. Okay, probably did a little too much, but okay. And then I am going to take a new brush. I'm actually going to use Queen, which is like a glittery champagne color. And we're just going to highlight. And then we're also going to take that same color and we're just going to this is really dramatic. And mind you, this palette was only $10. And that is the eye look. Alright guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below, what do you want to see next? Do you want to see more makeup tutorials, or do you want to see more makeup or beauty or her curly hair? Just let me know. I am willing to do whatever you guys want to see. And yeah, as always, stay beautiful, stay unique, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.